Okay, now it's okay, I think. Hello.
Yeah, your screen was not visible, sir.
Okay, 1 second, I will share. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Okay. See,
Yeah.
in the last class, why this is coming? In the last class, we seen the dependent LOV. Okay. Okay, let's go with again and we will see how we can set the values by selecting this one. See, when we will run the page. See, last time we seen the LOV. For example, if you will go here, department, once you select here department 30, for example, if you selected the department 30, then you are able to see the only employees under the 30. Okay. And if you want to set anything, see, once you selected the employee number, if you want to set the employee name under this one, means how we will see this one today's session. We will see once you select a department 30, we are showing the employees under the department 30 only. 20 and 10 it is not coming. Once you selected the employee number here from this one, then we have to bring the employee name and we need to set it here. How we need to do, we will see now. Okay. See, first of all, what is this page? This is the manual search page. First of all, we need to go to manual search page. In the manual search page, first of all, we need to create one text input. For example, take the text input. Manual search. Manual search. See, here we are having dependent ID. Dependent ID is our employee number. And we need to bring the employee name as well. Okay. Employee name, how we can bring this? This is having, what is this one? See, here it's having only employee number and employee name in this region. We need to modify here. Okay. This is coming from which VO? Dependent VO. Okay. Here, first of all, to get the value, what we need to do, we need to get the, once you select the employee number, we need to bring the employee name, whatever it is there. For example, I will show you here. See, for example, select star from EPT, where department number we are selecting, where department number is equals to 30 means this is table. Yeah, we are taking only this one, only this query only. Department table is not there here in our database. Okay, what we are taking? We are having 30, 20, 10. Okay, once you selected the department 30, what we are doing? Select star from EMP, where department number is equals to 30 we are passing. Once we pass the department number 30, we are getting all these employees, employee numbers there. See, employee numbers, this all these employees, 5 employees. But in the below of the employee number, we need to capture the employee. We need to, once you selected the employee number, we need to capture the employee name and we need to set that value. How we will set, we will see now. See, first of all, we need to have the employee name also in the this LOV. Here, when you will go here in the page, manual search page, we are having only employee number and department number only. See what I need now? I need now employee name. Okay, first of all, new, take one new style text. Okay, in the style text, select the dependent VO. Okay, then what is your attribute here? Your attribute is okay. 1 second. Here, go to here. A dependent Vivo. Okay, dependent Vivo. We need to add the only employee number and department name is there. We need to change the. We need to add the employee name also. Okay. See, once you added here, automatically in the structure, you are able to see that attribute, employee name. Now come down here, manual search page. Once you go here in the view attribute, view instance means view name and view attribute means the columns, whatever you specified in the query. Okay. Here we are having now employee name. I selected the employee name. Next thing, what we need to do to get any value, once you selected that one, according to that one, if you want to fetch any values, that row level values, then you need to create one mapping. Okay, first of all, and we need to return that value there. First of all, I selected here mapping. This mapping is this one and reason item. See, here it is reason item is department number, employee number, item 7. Okay. Okay, this is the item 7. And item 7, this is item 7 only, no? From here only you are having employee name. This employee name we are getting here and returning to one value we need to return to one value. That value is we need to create a form value. To return any values from LOV, first of all, you need to create a form value. Now I am creating one new item with the name of form value. Okay, I taken as form value here. Form value I taken as here rename FV form value. Okay. Then come to our page again. Here in the our LOB mapping. Name form value. Okay. We selected. What we did, first of all, whenever you are selecting employee number, if you want to get a employee name, you need to create one LOB mapping that whatever you did here for the table level, that employee name with the ID item 7, we need to fetch it here in the LOB reason item. And if you we need to return into one value. That is a form value we need to return. We need to create a one form value as a ename FP and we need to return that value. How it will work? Let's see. See, now what I am doing when I will select here. See, in programmatically also we will see how whether this will fetch or not. Okay. See, everything you can get it from Google. See, everything you can get it in the Google. See, right now I need to get the how to get LOV event. See, in process request, what will happen if when the page is loading, all the code will execute. But for process request, when you are doing any action or event, means now you are doing one action by selecting the LOV. LOV event, how to get LOV event in OAF. Okay. Capture LOV event in OAF. See, with this, with the help of this code, we can get, see, first of all, page context is LOV event and we need to pass the LOV event. Our LOV event we need to pass here. Okay, we will take it here, this one. I will explain you code. Okay, see, first of all, to see for any button, what is the code we are written? Page context dot get parameter of that button ID not equals to null we are written. For the LOV, how we need to get is page context dot is LOV event. We need to specify, and also we need to get the source input input source ID for that LOV. What is our source input ID? This is our LOV ID. We need to pass here. See, once you selected this one, it will fetch all the LOV IDs, whatever the ID we are specifying here, that will match here and it will enter into this LOV event. Okay, now I am returning here SOP entered in LOV event. Okay, then after that, what we need to do already here, what you are doing in the page level, in the LOV mapping, we are getting the value of employee name and we are setting in the form value. Okay, we need to get the bean of the form value. How to get? See, for anything, to get any bean values, okay, whatever the name is there, form value is there. Before that, we need to return OA form value bean. Okay, O OAF VB is equals to, then bean dot find the child recursive of, sorry, this ID we need to pass form value ID, because now our employee name is stored in the form value. Okay, see, for everything, once you return the code, see, to get the that any bean, we need, this is the code webbean dot find child recursive of that ID. Okay, then after that we need to import this form value. Okay, once you click on this torch button, then automatically it will ask to import this one, this form value bean. Once you imported, that issue, that error will go. Then after that, what you need to do, we need to get the value from the form value, whatever the value you are storing. We dot get value of page context. This is the parameter we need to pass, and we need to store in the one value. No, this one, what is this one? Employee name. Employee name. Okay, this is the string and we are specifying the data type as string. This is the string value. Okay, dot to string. Okay, now we will print this one, whether this value is coming or not. Okay, and now let's see. Now I am running the page. Let's see the debugging. How the log will print once you selected the employee number, how the employee name is coming, and how it is setting to the form value, we will see now. Okay, now page go is run. See, now it is entered in the process request. When you will go up, here, you can see once page is loaded, it is entered in the process request. Here also below in the log, it's printed, enter in the process request. Now when you are doing any event, how it will work, let's see. See, now I am clicking here, department number 30 I am selecting. Okay, then after that, employee number we need to select. See, entered in process form request, because you are doing the event. Okay, but it's not entered into this event, LOV event. Why it is not entered? Because you are not specified the ID of this one, department number. You specified the ID of, okay, this one. What is the ID? This employee number only you specified. You are not specified for the employee number, department number. That's the reason it's entered into the PR and it's not entered into in our code, LOV event code. Okay, to print this one, once you selected, see, now what I am doing, I am clearing this one, log whatever till now it's printed. Now once you selected here employee number, now go here. See, entered in the process form request, it is entered, but this is our ID. Okay, let's go and click on here. See, I am selecting one of the employee. Okay, now come here. See, it's entered in the process form request, entered in the LOV event. It is entering here because the employee number you are selecting, no, that's why ID is matching here. This is the ID, dependent ID. This is the employee number ID. It's matching and entering into the LOV event. Then after that, it is printing the name, employee name as a Blake. See, this is the employee name here. 7698 is the Blake. That employee is printed here. But our is our agenda is to print the, here we need to create one new item, text input or style text, anything, and we need to set this value there. Okay, how we will set it? Let's see. See, first of all, for this one, we need to create one item. Okay, now I am creating one item, new message text input. Okay, text input is created. This is the employee name ID. Okay, employee name ID, and prompt is returning. I am returning here employee name. Okay, see, now I am running the page. Let's see. See, now I am selecting the department number 30. Okay, now and again I am selecting the employee number. See, all department number 30 employees are listed here. And once you selected, for example, 7844, if you are selecting 7844, this employee name, see, Turner is our employee name. This value has to come and set in the below field. Okay, message text input field. But now it's not happened due to, because see, here it's enter into the event and employee name also it is bringing Turner, and we need to get that bean, message text input bean, and we need to set this value, employee name. How to get and how to set, we will see now. See, first of all, to get that bean, what is the code? We need to initialize the that bean with the web bean dot find child recursive with the item ID. Okay. See, for example, now this is the page employee ID. This is the ID. Okay, to get this bean, first of all, what is this bean? See, this is the message text input. See, to get any IDs of the any bean ID, what we need to do before and after, what we need to write before OA, and after that bean we need to specify message text input, OA message text input bean, OA message text input bean. See, I am specifying one object for this one. Okay, like just like alias name. Okay, it's called OAMTIB. Okay, just I taken the name and OA message text input bean. Okay, now I am returning here web bean dot to get the ID, web bean dot find child recursive of that item, of that item ID. We need to specify our item ID is one second. Our item ID is employee name ID. See, if you will go here, search page, employee name ID. This ID I am specifying because once we got the bean, already we are having the name. We need to get, we need to set this name to this one. Okay, how we will set? Let's see. OAMT. To get the value, that object name dot get value of page context. To set the value, that object name dot set value of page context comma that value we need to pass. Okay, for example, set see, set value, this is the one, set value of page context comma object. Okay, once we selected page context, page context is the parameter comma, and after that what we need to specify object. What is the object? We need to pass the value employee name. This is our employee name. Copy this one and paste it here. Then this value will go and set into that ID. Okay, now I am running the page. Let's see. See? Now I am selecting the department number 30. Okay. Employee number. What is the employee number? See, now I am selecting the employee number. See, for example, 7654 employee number I am selecting. That employee name is Martin. This value has to come and set below without writing anything. Okay. Now I am selecting this one. 7654. Click on OK. Let's see what is happening. Martin employee we got. Impip dot set value page context comma employee name. We need to set here. Employee name ID we are getting page context comma employee name. Let it be. See, then we are setting here. Let's see. Let's print the SOP for this one. Whether this ID is getting or not, I need to see first of all. Then after the selecting the employee number, and then okay. Once we selected the line, it should set here the value. Yes, bean is also coming. Okay, let it be. I will forward this one. Sometimes due to refresh, it will go. What we can do is we will forward this one to the home page. Okay. Okay, what I am doing? I will explain, no? Session value. Then this page will go to process request. In the process request, what I am doing? Okay, let's see now. First, I am running the page. Once it's working fine, then I will explain what exactly is happening. See, now I am giving here 30 and I am selecting one employee number. See, now its value got populated. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, here is having a, see, now I will explain the code, then we will see one by one. See, first of all, what I am doing is here, no need to return all this code in the below. No need to set all these things. Once you selected this one, we need to navigate to our page. Okay. Okay, let it be. We here this code is not required. Okay, I am commenting this one. See what I am doing. See if you want to move any one page to another page, there is a command called page context guard set forward URL. One page to another page. Set forward URL will be there. But now I am using forward immediate to the current page means it will navigate to that current page only. It will go. Once it went to that current page, I am specifying here null, true, null. I will explain you. These are the parameters. When I am discussing about that URLs, I will explain you what exactly it is. This one is the true, it is there. Why I kept it true means when once it's navigating to our current page, if we kept the false, what will happen? This all values will be removed. 30, 7698, Blake, only Blake will be there. Remaining all will be removed. I will show you once it's run this one. See, we are navigating to our current page. Then after that, what we are doing? I am setting here one session value. Throughout the session, it will be there. Page context dot put session of this employee name I am keeping. Okay. Employee name. What I am doing, if it is a once page first time when it is opening, at the time it is not having a session value. That's why it will not enter into this if condition. Okay. Now we are, once you click on that employee name, number, employee name will be there. That will be stored in this session value. At the time it will enter here once it's forward to our current page. Then we are getting our form value as an employee name, and then we are setting this one to here. Okay. And one more thing, this also not required here. Just we need to pass this value. Okay. Now I am comparing. See. Now I am running the page. See. Okay, now clear this one. Clear everything, this log. Okay, go here. Yeah. Okay. Now I am selecting one employee number. Okay, click on here. I am selecting Martin. Okay, once I click here, Martin. See, Martin value came here. How it's came, we will see. See, first of all, when you click on the event, see, let's see the log. It's enter in the process request. It enter in the LOV event, because when you select on the employee number, this is enter into here in this LOV, and it's getting the employee name, and it's printing here Martin also. And then it's enter in the process request. Why it's enter into the process request? Because we are page context dot forward to our current page, means again same page it is loading, and it is going here in the process request again. It is going to here in the process request. This value is printing process request. Then after that, it is checking page context that before calling the set forward to current URL page, we are setting one session value. That value we are checking that not equals to null. Then it is satisfied, and it's enter into inside and enter in PR. See, enter in PR LOV event, it's printed. Then we are getting the message text input. Okay, that ID we are getting, and we are setting that employee name, session value, whatever we are putting there, that value we are getting, and we are setting here in the this column. See, this column, Martin. Martin, we are setting in the employee name with the help of WebBean. Okay, this is done. Now you are able to edit this one. Okay, but if you want to make as a read only this one, there is an option called, once you select the manual search page, there is an option called employee name. Here, once you come down, render not, sorry. See here, there is a property called read only. Once you selected this one, read only, we need to select the true, Boolean true. This is the like Boolean value will be there for true or false will be. If you select the true, it will be read only. See, now I selected this one, it is true. Now run the page. Will close. See, someone is trying to connect the remote desktop. Okay, let's connect it again. See, now page is run. See, now here it's not entered field. It's like read only now. See, once you selected here 30, then after that employee number, I am selecting any one of employee who is under the department of 30. Alan, okay. See, now I am not able to modify, but this is done through the like property level, but I need to do it through code also. This will we can achieve through code also. How we will do it? Let's see. See, first of all, what I am doing, whatever I kept it here, I am making as default. See, there is an option here called set to default on the right side top. We will see, select that any one. If you want to keep it as default, select this one and click on here, set to default. Once you click, again, it will go to false. Okay. Now I am running the page. Let's see. It will be not read only now. See, this is now not read only. See, you can enter something before it's read only. How we will make this one read only through programmatically? I will show you. See, now come to here. Here we are setting the value. Now, after setting the value for the same bin, this is our bin, employee name ID. Okay. Come here, employee name ID. See, this is ID, message text input. This one we need to set as true. Read only true we need to set. See, this is the ID. With the ID only you are setting the employee name. Same like that. Set. Now you are setting the value. Now what you need to do? You need to set the read only property. Control space. See, read only is there. Read only. Select the first one. Read only Boolean true. See, true is not there. It's an object called data type is Boolean. No, Boolean dot true. Programmatically, what it will do? It will make the true. See, once page is loaded at the time, it is not read only. It will you can enter something. Once you did anything, once you click on that event LOV, then automatically this code will come to process request and it will set the employee name and it will set the true also. Okay. See here also we are setting the true. Employee name read only false is there now. Programmatically we are setting the true. Okay. Search page. I am running this one. Let's see. See now I am giving the department number 30. Okay. And employee number I am selecting. See, before that, before selecting, it's an enterable field. Employee name is enterable field. Now see how it will change. Now I am selecting this one. See, now it's became read only through programmatically. This is how we can achieve. Okay. And one more time I will show you. Even you can enter the value, some values, it will be overridden. Okay. To run the page, click on the page and right click. There is an option called run. Once you click on the run, the page will start running and it will hit the URL here. See, I will show you. It will hit the URL, then after the page will open. See here, target URL is hitted. See here, target URL is hitted. See, target URL is hitted. Then after that, it will enter in the process request. Okay. See, here you are able to enter something now. Employee name, something. Okay. Oracle apps. I am giving as Oracle apps. See, now I am selecting the department. And once you selected this one, 76598, for example, I am selecting the Martin. Once you click on the Martin, that name will come and override to the, or instead of Oracle Labs, it's overrided the Martin, that whatever the employee number you selected, that employee name came here in the down and it became read only. Okay. That's all about the today's session. Okay. If anyone is having any doubt, let me know now. I will clarify your doubts and practice these things. And you are having, I already allowed you to record the session. You can, by seeing that video, you can practice and you can share this video to Madhu as well. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have anyone is having any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, practice this one. Tomorrow session, first we will see this one, because if you will come with doubts only, then only
Yes,
we
sir.
will furtherly, I can give more knowledge to you if you will
Sir.
come with doubts. Yes, tell me.
Please pin your number in group, sir. We don't know. That's why. If you have any doubts, can I pin, sir?
Okay. See, my
Share
number,
your number, sir.
I am not in the group, I think.
Mm.
That is the issue.
Yeah, sir. We have doubts. That's why I'm.
Okay, then. Okay. My number will be plus 974 5081 3901. I am sharing my screen now. See? Hello.
Yeah, okay, sir.
This is my number. If you have any doubts, ping me. Okay. Note down
Yes,
this
sir.
one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay then.